she was working in hospital in Muscat. So that guy again, what happened? Changed the number and given the hospital's number. So all the calls come to the hospital. So what? As the result, the hospital authority expelled this girl. So say that you are getting a lot of this type of unwanted calls, so we cannot answer all these calls. So you don't want to come to tomorrow. She expelled from the company and she came to Kerala and filed a complaint. We traced that person. Is nobody else, her ex-boyfriend. Because of this broken relationship, he is having her photo, original photo, and he know what about this number, everything. So the sharing of information, you have, he also take all this information from her because, and he posted all the things. So this is a type of cyber stalking. Everybody said that you have, you are members of Orkut and Facebook or anything. How many friends, you online friends you have in your Orkut?
Now I have 63.
Only 63. Anybody having second profile here? Only 1, 2, 3. Okay. Second profile means you completed 1000. So out of the 1000, how many of you personally know? 700. Okay. Out of the 700, how many you met personally? 500. That means if you have 1,000 friends in your Orkut or in Facebook, out 50% of the friends, you don't know who are they. It's very easy. I will just say. So this is a profile. So you will get some friend request from Chief Minister of Kerala. So definitely you will add him as a friend. You saw his photo, his name is correct, his photo is correct, everything is correct, you will add. But what will happen? This is not the original one. You don't know who is this guy sitting behind. They are using a photo and then name. I can create a profile in any one of your name. Only thing is that you don't start that same name earlier. Otherwise, I can start an email in the name of Barack Obama or Manmohan Singh or anyone of your name. Nobody will stop me to make a mail in the email or Gmail or Yahoo or something. Nobody is asking whether you are Barack Obama or Manmohan Singh. So this is the thing. In online, there is no credibility. Everybody can do anything. Not only for CM, the opposition leader is also having the same profile. So all these profiles already, these are our crimes in our cases also. One of our minister also having the same profile. The thing is very funny thing is that most of these fronts, they are scrapping, sending some petitions also. Sir, I have some problem in my house, a personal problem, please advise me, please give me like that. And this guy is sending reply also. Your problem is I am verifying, you will get a reply from recently or soon like that. So the Orkut, what is happening? There is a thing, terms and condition. How many of you read that terms and condition? I think none, because it is a pages of pages are there. Lot of things. What happened now? Even if you are registering anything like a Orkut or any email, there is a small box. We just tick I agree. Like that only. We never see what they are written. The thing is that once you got some information or your ID is hacked, somebody is posted some unwanted message or something malicious or anything photo is taken from your Orkut, that time you come forward a complaint. Make a report abuse to this Orkut or Gmail. What they are asking. This is our policy. We are bound about only US law because this is the service is provided by Google. Google International, they are American guys and they are only bound for US law, not for Indian law. In US law, pornography is not an offense. So, we cannot change your profile. You approach your police or you come for legal process through Interpol like that. It is a Herculean task. You have to delete. You can delete, you cannot delete directly. So simple, before you enter into this type of site, just check what they are written. And everybody is uploading their photos, not only your photos, your friends' photos, family photos, friends of friends' photos, college photos, everything is in album. Not only album, videos, everything is there. There also what will happen? This is an uploaded album. This is one of our case. This is the guy, his album. There is sweet memories of young, our wedding anniversary caption of your. What happened next time? That sweet memory you can see on the right corner. His wife was totally nude that time. The same photo was morphed and taken and make as a fake profile in the same name, same person's name. So once you uploaded your photo, this is a public document. You know that it is private, but it is for public because Badran sir already shows that what will happen. You connect to internet. Your IP, everybody will know this is what is your IP. So anybody can hack your IP address or anybody can download all these pictures. But there are some certain security. You know that in Orkut there are some security features are there. You can go to the settings and you can change some security. But normally nobody is aware about or nobody is bothered about to making any security aspect. What they do, make everyone available. Your photos can be viewed by everyone. There is an option you can make it as a private. It's a lock. Only your selected friends can view that. And or your friends, all the friends in your friend list. Another option, your friends of friends can also view. Another option, everyone can view. But everyone is a problem. Friends of friends also a problem. Friends also a problem. Like you have a 500 unknown friends. You don't know who are these 500 others. Sometimes they are appearing that you are one of your close friends' name, but he will not be never your good friend. Blogs, these are another problem. Everybody is writing blogs in your name. These are also free items. Nowadays you cannot read the blogs because all these are filthy words. Everyone is using these filthy words in these blogs. The next one is cyber pornography. Because cyber pornography in the internet, I think around more than 50% of the websites in the internet is pornographic site, either pornographic or pornographic material site. There are billions of websites out there. So this is a business also, not a crime. It's already said that persons are making a lot of money, huge amount of money using this type of website because you know that you can surf freely to one or two pages. Then they demanding your credit card number. Most of these persons is leaving the credit card for 1 month. Then what will happen? Your credit card number will be hacked and your money will lose. Cyber bullying. I already spoke about cyber stalking. That is normally against adult and against ladies. But in children below 18 years, if you are harassed through online using email, harassing email, abusive words like that, it's called cyber bullying. Always using a free email account. And it's cyber defamation. If I want to defame any one of you, I just want to take a photo of any one of your photo or without any photo. Also I can make some posting in the internet. Very easy to defame you. Most of the petitions we are receiving the famous companies and or the what is called business organization. Somebody having some what is called sometimes some clients or sometimes the employees itself having some problem with this management. They make a posting in this complaint board. Recently, one of these main builders in Ernakulam came with a petition that there is a complaint board. You Google complaint board. Someone in the fake name make a post that this their builders, their quality is not good. They are not giving the work in the time, everything like that. This is all are false. So what happened? Everybody is demanding to withdraw from the agreement. So like that is a defamation. It is very easy. So morphing. How many of you can edit a photo? Or know about the Photoshop? Raise your hand. Okay, good. So you get a photo, it is very easy to change. So once you got a photo, it is very easy to change to any shape. So that morphing, it is a problem. What happened? We are getting lot of petitions from the colleges and schools that somebody is taken a photo in her mobile. After that, it was edited and published through internet or through mobile phone like that. Email spoofing, address spoofing, that is also another method. There are some free websites also there. If you go to that website, you can write whatever you want, your from address. Nobody knows that it is your email ID. If I received a mail saying that it is Bhadran sir's name, I just open, but it is a spoofed mail with a Trojan horse or a bot. It will install in my computer and my system will compromise. Sexting, so sending messages, sexually explicit messages through mobile phones. Nowadays, major crime is happening through mobile phone. You know that. Our mobile connection capacities in India is covered 50 crores, 50.09 crores in last month. I think around half about our population. So that is the scenario now. In Kerala also, I learned more than 1.5 crores our mobile connections. So sending sexually explicit pictures by cell phone. What will happen? Everybody heard about that DPS school, Delhi Public Schools case.